Chandragupta Maurya. Who was he? He was the founder of the Mauryan Empire. Actually, before Chandragupta Maurya, Nanda dynasty was there. They had a very large army, and that was inherited by Chandragupta Maurya. So, army he already had. And his mentor, who was his mentor? Chanakya, who was extremely intelligent in every aspect. Greek sources even suggest a meeting between Chandragupta Maurya and Alexander, that they had met. This is about Chandragupta Maurya. Now, about his religion. Chandragupta Maurya adopted Jainism. He went along with Bhadrabahu to Shravan-Belagaon and committed Salekhana. What is Salekhana? Means a path towards death, slowly. Slow path towards death. In Divyavadan, it's a mention of there's a mention of his son Ashoka, who had a rebellion against ministers at Takshila. And it is also said that Chandragupta Maurya ruled almost the entire subcontinent. I have already shown you that in the green shaded portion on the map, that what was the area that was occupied by Chandragupta Maurya.